Ever stared at your seemingly packed suitcase and just known something was missing, but couldn't quite put your finger on it? Don't panic. Prepare. Let's dive into some pre-travel packing tips and reminders to soothe worries that are often experienced with unexpected packing dilemmas and forgotten essentials. These are in no particular order. Take what applies to you, and whatever does not apply to you, then share them with someone else. I like a stress-free life. Like a stress-free life and travel journey. And so I do anything that I can within my control for a smooth experience. For international travel, do not forget to pack the passport, but also with the passport, why not have a passport holder? I like something that's stylish and yet still secure for my passport. It has inserts inside, which also is helpful to keep together with the flight tickets or rail tickets, making it easy or easier to access when at the airline gate, customs, or border patrol or border control on those international drives or international train rides. Luggage covers. These help to protect against damage while traveling and also can protect against the luggage getting dirty. I will demonstrate with the luggage covers. While there are openings for the handles on the luggage, keep in mind they might not all align all around. These come with Velcro and they attach under the bottom. You see what I mean? The handle area opening is on this side, but my handle is on the other side. So you may just need to flip it around, but then it limits or restricts the access to the top handle. So you may just need to cut a hole in the other side. An alternative is to purchase the luggage wrap at the airport if available, if you do not have luggage covers, or if you lose it. I recently bought a 3-piece luggage cover set and the airline lost one of my luggage covers, so this is a great alternative. Medication and prescriptions. For those who take medications regularly or traveling with someone who takes medications regularly, and these are life-saving medications, do not forget to pack these and other prescriptions that you might need. Also, do not pack these particular medications in the check-in luggage. These should always remain with you on your person. So put them in your bag, your purse, or your carry-on when traveling so that it's with you at all times. Earbuds or headphones for entertainment or noise blocking while traveling, and sometimes the chaos and stress of the noise around you can impact you. So consider carrying these. Some airlines provide them, some do not. Others might provide them or offer them at a fee. Just pause the video or audio during safety instructions or other announcements. Whether it's your first time traveling or your next travel adventure, packing panic can sometimes arise before an exciting journey. We talk about mindful living here, and with that comes mindful traveling. And so remember, we do not control external factors such as people, their choices, the weather, flight delays or road closures, and so forth, but rather we control our internal response in navigating challenges.